Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already
Hello.
know. Call
Pretty good. How you doing,
Good. Were you here
Sir
before?
Charles? Maybe so.
It was like November or December when my main stack was.
Was it backing up on the first
Yes.
floor?
Yeah.
Probably
I think it was
so.
you.
Yes, ma'am. That was a lot of fun that day.
Yeah, it was.
Yes, ma'am. But we got you back to
Yes,
normal.
we did. I just need to wash my clothes now. And then I
Okay.
have the guy coming to fix my dryer at 4.
Well, I'm gonna take care of one of your problems again
I
today, okay?
appreciate
Can I take a look at it? Okay. No problem. I appreciate it. I'm not as fast as I used to be.
There it is.
Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes
All right. So is it coming up out of this?
Yeah, it's coming up out of that.
Okay. How long has it been backed up like this?
For a while. I haven't washed clothes here probably for, I'm not going to say how long. I've just been going to the laundromat and then to my sister.
Isn't it so expensive?
That's why I said to my husband, I'm going to call and get this done, and hopefully it's not too much.
doing what most won't dare to do. That's that clear, now that's the way. Gotta do it, we get it.
All right. And so I'm gonna get my cable.
Okay, sorry, I need to get new.
Oh, that's okay.
I have these.
No, that's okay. That helped a little bit. And so I'm gonna get my cable. We're gonna cable this out for you,
Okay.
and then you're gonna be back to normal. You're not gonna have to go to the laundromat
Or
anymore.
my sister-in-law's or my mother-in-law's.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so embarrassed.
Our wash machine just went out a few days ago, and so my wife had to go to the laundry mat, and she said it's. That's what she said. That's what she
Not
said.
anymore. And now
Yes,
they
ma'am.
have all those front loaders, and they just they make it cost more. And
Yes,
it just
ma'am.
drives me nuts.
Yeah. So no, we're gonna get you back off the hook, okay?
I appreciate it.
No problem. I'll be right back. Okay.
Now that's the way. Gotta do sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call liquid. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up.
I love AA Quick Plumbing. They are on time. They are prompt. I call with a problem. They're there when I'm available for them to show up, and I would say 5 stars.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gotta do sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it's clear, now that's the win. Gotta do sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call liquid. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from the mystery stain. Show up, no time to stop. That time I'm fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what folks won't dare to do. That's that clear, now that's the way. Go to sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear
Wanna take a look?
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
That's the original tab.
Wow.
we pull up
All right, so it's open.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Cable out maybe about 30 feet. Pull back some lint. It's kind of normal to pull back lint. Yeah,
Perfect. Thank
it's on. It's not coming back up. And so I'll give you a 30-day warranty.
you. Okay.
If you have any problems in 30 days, then you're covered. But it'll be just like the last time.
Yay. Hopefully.
Yes,
But I'm
ma'am.
glad that you guys are so like prompt and take care of things.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, you were like, she's like, sure, I can get them there on Thursday. I was like, thank you, because that's the day I'm off.
Yes, ma'am. That's what we do.
Thank you. I'm so excited.
Yes,
Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know. Call.